In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change voice on Discord. We'll keep it simple and reliable by using third-party voice changer software. Popular options include VoiceMod and Clownfish Voice Changer, and in this walkthrough, I'll demonstrate with VoiceMod. The idea is straightforward. VoiceMod creates a virtual microphone on your computer, applies real-time effects to your voice, and then sends that processed audio into Discord, so your friends hear the voice you choose. After you install VoiceMod, it automatically adds a new audio input to your system called the VoiceMod audio input. You don't need to manually create this. It appears during setup and is what makes the whole process work. With that in place, switch over to Discord. In Discord, click the gear icon at the bottom left to open user settings, then head to the voice and video section. This is where you control which microphone Discord listens to, and it's the key step that tells Discord to use VoiceMod instead of your physical mic. Under Input Device, select the VoiceMod audio input. If you see multiple similar names, pick the one clearly labeled for VoiceMod. Leave your output device set to whatever you normally use for headphones or speakers so you can hear everyone clearly. Choosing the VoiceMod input routes your actual microphone into VoiceMod first, applies the effect you pick, and then passes that to Discord. If your friends can't hear the effect, double-check this setting and make sure VoiceMod is running in the background. Now open the VoiceMod panel. This is where you browse and select voices. You'll see a variety of styles, some subtle, some more dramatic. Click a voice to activate it, then speak into your mic to preview how it sounds. VoiceMod includes a built-in way to hear yourself so you can test without jumping into a call, which makes fine-tuning quick and easy. Take a moment to talk at a normal volume, listen for clarity, and pick a voice that fits what you're going for. If you notice distortion, try speaking a bit softer or moving your mic slightly farther from your mouth. That's all there is to it. Install VoiceMod so it creates the virtual input. Set Discord's input device to the VoiceMod audio input, then choose and test your voice in the VoiceMod panel. Keep VoiceMod open while you're on Discord, and switch voices anytime you like. Enjoy experimenting, and have fun using your new voice in chats and calls.